Guys, in today's video, we're gonna give you 5 plants you can use in any aquarium. Yes, any aquarium, even if it's just a glass box filled with water, no substrate, no decorations. These plants will grow, these plants will thrive, these plants will clean your fish tank, these plants will make your fish happier, and it's gonna make your job easier as a fish keeper. It's gonna minimize water changes, and it's gonna make this hobby more enjoyable for you. So here are 5 plants you can use in any aquarium. First plant you need in there is you need some type of floating plants. Our favorites are red root floaters. Why do we need floating plants? Well, they don't rely on CO2 in your water column. They actually absorb CO2 from the atmosphere, from the air, while feeding on the nutrients in your water column. Second, Java ferns. Why? Again, substrate, unnecessary for these plants. You can glue it on the rock, piece of driftwood, drop it in your tank, and it will grow. It doesn't need any high intensity lighting, which means if you have low tech, any aquarium, put some Java fern in there, it's gonna look great. Number 3 is Java moss. Java moss is staple in the aquarium hobby. Why? Because it's so easy to care for. It grows in almost any light conditions. Helps to, again, same like all the other plants, it absorbs nutrients from the water, helps keep your water clean, helps keep your fish tank healthy, helps keep your fish happy. What more can you ask for? Number 4, now we're gonna go into these 2 plants. So if you do have substrate, even just a gravel substrate, Ambulia is a great plant. It's fast growing stem plant. I actually had this plant grow in my fish tank, just tied to the rock, so it sits on the bottom, wasn't even in the substrate. The roots started spreading and finding nutrition, whatever, or feeding from the water column, and it grew without any issue whatsoever. And number 5 on the list, Wisteria. It's another excellent choice, again, for any fish tank. Its delicate fern-like leaves add beauty to your tank. It really does look great. Prune a few times, let it get bushier, fish will hide in there, look for food in there, the babies will hide in there. Same goes for a moss and other plants we mentioned. It's fast growing plant, which means it absorbs nutrients out of your water very quickly, and it's gonna help keep your fish tank healthy, clean, and happy. All of these plants will remove those nutrients in your water column that otherwise would cause algae blooms and algae growth. Why? Because algae and plants feed on the same nutrients. Give these plants a go. As I said, I specifically selected these 5 plants because if you have a fish tank, you can get these plants in. Your tank is gonna improve drastically. Give it a go and let us know how you go. Thank you.